Just take a little bit of time to really kick into gear and just burn through that stock on market. Kia ora everyone, it's Chris and Sam here, Bayleys Insights team, talking housing market today for our monthly update. So Sam, let's get into it.
Yeah,
what's been happening over the past month?
Yes, obviously the big one's been the interest rate cuts that have come in. So the fourth one happened during February, so down 50 basis points to 3.75%. So good for the market. And in our Bayleys sentiment agent survey, they were reporting a boost in inquiries, and it's getting easier to reach agreement on price, but still not too much pressure on prices actually moving upwards.
Yeah, so it doesn't seem like the market's going crazy off the back of interest rates just yet. But,
and another thing that the agents reported is that availability of finance is still a little bit tricky.
Yeah, that makes sense. So still a little bit difficult out there, but I guess a little bit of maybe positivity coming through.
Yeah.
And then we had REINZ publish their house price trends for the past month. So this was January 2025 data. What did we see in there, Sam?
Yes, the sales counts were up around the same time last year, but still a little bit quiet for a normal January. So prices slightly down, still kind of on that moving sideways trend. And the median house price is sitting at $750K now. Yeah,
that's cool. And it feels like although interest rates have come down, the market's still like not really kicking into gear, right? And then we also had supply of homes for sale through realestate.co.nz, and this has been one of the big headwinds in the market. So what did we see in the data there last month?
Yeah, so pretty big numbers still. So 32,000 homes for sale at the end of January, so 18% higher than the same time last year, and also a rise in new listings coming to market. So yeah, I guess this is in line with what our agents were reporting, where vendors are looking to list their properties alongside these interest rate drops.
Yeah, and isn't that funny? Because like if you look at the sentiment from our agents, interest rates coming down, it's almost like the vendors have got more optimistic than buyers have. Yeah, maybe that's continuing that sort of slight stalemate around where prices are and all the rest of it. Cool. And then they said there's obviously been lots of sales over the past month. A couple of sales around that median house price, Sam. Do you want to kick us off?
Yeah, so I've got one in Auckland. It's apartment 1A at 36 College Hill in Freeman's Bay. Effortless urban living in Freeman's Bay, 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom apartment with a secure underground car park. This one was marketed by Dominic Donaghy and Carla Pedersen from Bayleys Auckland and sold for $750K.
Yeah, cool. And then down in Te Awa Mutu, got 121 North Street. So feels just right, 3 beds, 1 bath on 650 square metres, delightful 1950s home, renovated throughout, fantastic outdoor living. This one was marketed by Reese McLaughlin from Bayleys Hamilton, and again sold around that median house price. So it gives you a sense around what you can buy around the place for that price.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah, and then sort of switching gear into the outlook for the market, Sam. So how would we sum up things in a nutshell like right now?
Yeah, I guess the two big factors that are kind of facing off right now are the interest rates coming down, but they're still having quite a high supply of homes for sale on the market. So yeah, again, we're kind of suspecting that the vendors are slightly more positive than the buyers at this stage, I guess because those numbers are not showing a huge boost in actual sales activity happening.
Yeah, 100%, and that's been that big issue, right, over the last couple of years has been gap in price expectations, so vendors kind of up here and then buyers like a little bit lower, and it seems to just be persisting at the moment. And so we, despite interest rates coming down, we haven't seen a big boost in sales counts, prices sideways. So it feels like that's the factor that's holding things up at the moment.
Yeah, because in saying that, our agents are reporting a boost in inquiries, so I guess the interest is kind of getting back there, but yeah. Yeah,
it might just take a little bit of time to really kick into gear and just burn through that stock on market. So feels like for the next couple of months things are probably just going to move sideways. Yeah, cool. And then finally, Sam, wrap up property of the week, and we've got an amazing property in Herne Bay. So mate, do you want to kick us off?
Yeah, so this is 27 Marine Parade in Herne Bay, Auckland. Beyond the extraordinary 5 bedrooms, 6 bathroom property on about 2,600 square metres. Newly transformed Farhi residence with cool views of the harbour, complete with media rooms, wine cellar, resort style pool, gym, tennis court and pavilion.
This is amazing.
Yeah, epic property. If you're interested, you can get in contact with Edward Pack from Bayleys Ponsonby.
Yeah, cool. And then, so for me, I'm heading up to Northland. I've got 43 bar 39 Tongato Road in Nguru in Northland. So a waterfront masterpiece of exceptional scale. This house has 13 bedrooms, 10 bathrooms on 26 hectares. Rare opportunity to secure one of New Zealand's most significant private updates. Waterfront with 360 views over the pristine inlets, main residence approximately 2,000 square metres. So overall, just a huge property. If you want to learn more about this one, contact Roy Smithuri or Tracy Dalzell from Bayleys Whangarei.
Awesome.
With that said, we'll wrap it up here. So thanks very much, Sam.
Thanks, Chris.
Yeah, sweet. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Yeah.